The astrologer donkey. Madhavaya was a famous astrologer of Mangalpur. He was an expert in preparing and examining horoscopes as well as making predictions, which invariably proved correct. People had absolute faith in his forecast. Whatever he said came to be accepted. His fame spread far and wide. Word even went to the king of Mangalpur. He made inquiries about Madhavaya and appointed him the royal astrologer. Now more people began consulting him and soon he became very rich. He acquired farmlands all over the place and though he stayed in the capital so that he was available to the king whenever he wanted him, Madhavaya often visited his village to supervise the work in his farms. One day he was on such a visit to one of his farms. Harvesting had just taken place and the courtyard was full of grains. The bright sun made them glow. As he stood there giving instructions to his servants, there came Narsappa the washerman with his donkey carrying a huge bundle of clothes. It may rain in the next 2 hours. There's just time enough to cover the grains, he alerted Madhavaya. The astrologer in him could not accept the remark straight away. You seem to have a smattering knowledge of astrology, Narsappa, ridiculed Madhavaya. How are you so sure it's going to rain? There's no single speck of cloud in the sky? Then how come you predict rain in the next 2 hours? I haven't studied the position of stars, the movement of planets, and all that like astrologers normally do. But this much I am sure of. There will be rain in the next 1 hour or so. In fact, I'm hurrying home with the dried clothes before the sky comes down in rush. I only wanted to warn you so that the grains could be saved. It's now your concern. Madhvaya looked up once again. The sky was a clear blue. When he looked up after half an hour, he saw a huge cloud formation. It's not one of those dark clouds. It won't rain, he reassured himself. How much can a mere washerman predict? There was a sudden heavy downpour. The grains could not be saved. Luckily, not much was washed away. Whatever remained had to be left in the open to dry, he decided. But what worried him more than the wet grain was how could Narsappa forecast the rain? And so correctly too. With all his knowledge of astrology, he himself had been unable to predict something as simple as rain. What a shame! When the rain stopped, Madhvaya started for home. On his way, he dropped in at Narsappa's place. Tell me, how could you predict the rain when I myself could not see a trace of it before it came down? Oh, that was very simple, Narsappa explained. Whenever there is a possibility of rain, the hair on my donkey will stand erect. It will raise its tail and bray for a long while. My donkey had just done that when I was collecting the clothes from the clothesline. I was therefore convinced that it would rain. Your books and treatises on astrology would not mention these simple commonplace things. What use then is your astrology based on stars and planets which are so far away? Madhavaya hung his head in shame. He realized he should not have ridiculed Narsappa. Even an ordinary washerman can be knowledgeable with common sense. Narsappa, I now understand, he said. Patting the washerman on his back, just one request. Let others not know what happened between us today. Everybody thinks that I am a great astrologer. Their faith in me should not be shattered. Narsappa readily agreed. However, word went round and several people came to know of the controversy between Madhavaya and Narsappa. They went about saying, we would better consult Narsappa's donkey than Madhavaya. Though Madhavaya did not hear this himself, he guessed something must have happened when the number of people waiting before his door reduced day by day. Please like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Do provide your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for listening.